In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the top keyboard shortcut tips and tricks for 2025 right here in Google Sheets. So the first one would be your Edit Cell keyboard shortcut, which is your F2 key. So your F2 key allows you to edit any active cell selected on your spreadsheet. Right now, my selected cell is cell C2, and if I want to edit that without using my mouse, I'm going to press on F2 on my keyboard, and there you have it. So if I go ahead and edit, enter the new values, press enter, there you have it. Now you might say you can do that with the enter key, but if I'm going to select this range, and the one that I want to edit is again cell C2. If I press enter on my keyboard with this selected range, what it will do will just be to move within that range right here. But with our F2 keyboard shortcut, if I want to edit my cell D4 right here, instead of pressing enter, pressing F2 will allow me to edit that cell. Our next top keyboard shortcut would be your copy and paste. So to quickly copy and paste values within your cell, let's say I want to copy the unit price of the apples right here. What I'm going to do is to press Ctrl-C or Command-C if you're a Mac user. There you go. And paste it with our oranges by pressing Ctrl-V on the keyboard. There you have it. Now, if you're a Mac user, all you have to do would be to replace the Control with the Command key. So Command-C for copy and Command-V for paste. Our next keyboard shortcut would be our paste values only. So if I want to, let's say, copy this value right here into another cell, if I do that with our copy and paste, Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, it will not give me the same value because what we did is we copied the formula. Now, if we want to copy just the value, we're going to add something else with that keyboard shortcut, and that's going to be your Shift key. So instead of pressing Ctrl-V when pasting, let's copy that again, Ctrl-C, and paste it right here. We're going to press Ctrl, Shift, and V. There you have it. So even though these cells have formulas, with that keyboard shortcut, we are only pasting the values. Next top keyboard shortcut would be to select your entire row or your entire column. So let's say I want to select this entire row right here. What I'm going to do is to press Shift and Spacebar on my keyboard, and that will allow me to select that entire row without using my mouse. If I'm going to select an entire column, what I'm going to press this time is Control and Space. There you have it. So whichever column or row you want to select, in selecting an entire row, that's going to be your Shift Space. There you go. And selecting an entire column of your data, that's going to be Control Space. And there you have it. And last but not the least, our final top keyboard shortcut would be your undo and redo. So if we want to undo a step that we have done or a mistake that we've done, we can easily undo that by pressing Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. And again, if you're a Mac user, that's Command-Z. So here, I've previously deleted that and I want to undo that action. Once I pressed on Ctrl-Z, those values came back. If I want to redo the delete action that I did, I'm going to press Ctrl-Y, and there you have it. So again, for your undo, that's Ctrl-Z, and for your redo, that's Ctrl-Y. And there you have it. Those were the top keyboard tips and tricks for 2025 here in Google Sheets. If you're still looking for some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.